4 is equals to
A4 is equal to
9 1 by 2
9 by 2
cos r.
Next U.
A3.
Find
A2 comma A3.
A2 comma A3. Next A1. What is A1? First term. Here what should be written? A plus 0 is you will have to write. A is equal to A1 is equal to A plus 0D. That is correct form. Next A4 is equal to write down. A4 is equal to tell me. Pranavi, tell me. Don't anger. Tell me, Pranavi.
1 by
A4 is equal to correct by splitting the term. Tell me.
3D.
4 means 3D is equal to 3D is equal to how much is given? How much is
9
given?
1 by 2.
9 1 by 2 means 9 1 by 2. And then here A plus 1D is how much is given? 5 is given. Then we will have to take this is the equation 1. This is A1 is equal to equation 2. A plus 0. A plus 0 is equal to 5. And then by changing the signs minus minus A and A are cancelled. Then 3D is equal to 9 minus 5 how much? 9 minus 5 how much? 4 1 by 2. This is 9 minus 5 is 4 1 by 2. Then what is D? D is equal to 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9 by 2 by 3. 9 by 2 by 3. See, doesn't it? This is 3 by 1 a rational number. That's why what should be numerator should be cancelled. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. Okay na? Then it has become into 3 by 2 is D is what is that? D is equal to 3 by 2. What should we have find here? A2 we will have to find here. A2 is equal to A plus 1D. 1D right? What is there 1D? A plus 1D. What is A?
5.
A is equal to 5 plus 1D how much?
3 by 2.
3 by 2. Then it has become 2 5s are 13 by 2. 13 by 2 is the A2. Then we will have to find A3. We will have to find A3. A plus how much? 3. 2D. That is 2D. 2D is equal to A is equal to 5 plus 2 into D how much? 3 by 2. 3 by 2. Then 2 cancel. What is this? 8 is the answer. This is the answer positive. This is 6th Roman. Call it as a Roman number. This is 6th Roman number. That is call it 6th Roman. Question, what is the question? Question is third question 6th Roman. Third question 6th Roman. Next, what is that? What is A? Tell me, Pranavi.
A1 is equal to
A1 minus 4 comma. Tell me.
A6 is equal to
A6 is equal to
6.
6. Don't tag. What do we find?
Find A2,
A2,
A3,
A2, A3,
A4, A5.
A2, A3 and A5. This is the
4.
A4 also na? A4, A5. Here this is a big question. See clearly and A5. Here 5 terms are you will have to find. How many terms we will have to find? 5 terms. First what should we do? First what should we do? Tell Pranavi. In this first to write down what is A1 is equal to. A1 is equal to tell me.
A plus 0.
0. That is correct. A1 is equal to A is equal to A1. A1 is equal to A1 is equal to A plus 0. This is the first equation. Second A1 is equal to 0. That is minus 4. Minus 4 is given. That is A1 is equal to minus 4 given. Given and write down given here. Given. Then given first equation. then we will take first equation. Then the second equation is equal to a minus 4 minus a plus 5d. How much is given? 6 is given here. 6 is given here. This is how much? Minus 4 is given here. Then change this sign. Change this plus will become minus. Here also minus. This is called minus end. This minus will become plus. Plus will become minus. Minus will become plus. Here invisible plus is there. Plus and minus cancel. Then 5 minus 0 is equal to 5d. 5d is equal to plus 4. This is then 10. 10 means 5 2s are 10. D is equal to 2. Here we have found D. Then we will have to substitute in this A2, A3, A4 and A5. Then tell me, A2 is equal to, tell me,
A plus D.
A2 is equal to A plus D. A plus D. Here A is how much?
Minus 4.
A plus D. Here A is how much?
Minus 4.
A is minus 5.
Minus 4. Sir.
Minus 4 plus D, and how much you got? How much you got? D is here. E here. How much you have got? 2. That's why A plus D 2. Then answer is A plus 2 is equal to minus 2. Then A3. Tell me A3. A plus
2D.
A plus 2D. 2D means A and minus 4 plus 2 into 2. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. 4 4 0. Next to A4. So 2 into how much? 3 into 2. 3 into 2 is equal to how much? Tell me fast.
2.
What is the answer? 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 4. 2 is the answer. A4 and A5. Tell me.
A plus 4D.
A plus 4D. That is nice. Minus 4 plus 4 into D 2. Then what is the answer?
4.
What is the answer? 4 2s are 8. Minus 4 is equal to 4 is the answer. This is the box sheet and write down 2 icons.
Find
Find
A1, A3, A4.
A1, A2,
A3,
A3,
A4,
A4,
A5.
A5. Okay. Then what is given here? Given. Write the given. Given. What is given? Given A2 is equal to A plus and the 1D. Am I right? 1D is equal to, don't talk. That is 38. Write down simultaneously. Do that simultaneously. Don't talk. Then this is A2. Then A6 is equal to, write down. A6 is equal to, write down. A plus 5D is equal to how much? Minus 22. This is equation. Assume that this is equation 1. Then this is A2 is equal to A plus, keep this here. A plus 1D is equal to how much? How much? 38. If you subtract, what happens? This plus will become minus. This plus will become minus. Here the invisible plus will become minus. Then plus A and minus A are cancel. Then 5 minus 1D how much? 4D is equal to minus 28 to minus 38. How much? Minus same sign give same sign. Minus 8 plus 2 10. 10 how much? 60. D is equal to 15. D is equal to 15. We got to 15. Then substitute in this.
Sir, D is equals to minus 15.
Minus 15. D is equal to minus 15. Here substitute in this A1. A1 is equal to, what is that? A1 is equal to A plus how much? A1 is equal to A plus 0 is equal to how much? చెప్పండి రా, ఇక్కడే చెప్పండి ట్రమ్లు చెప్పాలి. ఇక్కడే సంజు ఎంత A1 కనుక్కోమన్నాడు ఇక్కడ. 5 A1 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ ఎంత? ఏం తీసుకోవాలి ఇక్కడ
A2.
A2 తీసుకుంటే వచ్చింది A2 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు దెన్
D.
1D ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఎంత 38 దెన్ A ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు
38 minus
38 మైనస్ D ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు హౌ మచ్
38 plus 15.
38 మైనస్ ఆఫ్ అంతేనా 38 మైనస్ ఆఫ్ కదా ఇది.
Plus అవుతుంది.
ఇదేం వచ్చేదానికి దెన్ ఇట్ సైన్ బికమ్స్ 15 దెన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ 53 A2 53 దెన్ A3 tell me A53
Plus 2 into minus 15.
is equal to how much
53
How much you got?
minus 30.
How much you
is
got?
equals to 23.
huh? How much you got
23.
Huh?
23.
23 2 15s are 30 53 minus 23 then A4
A4
A
is
plus
equals to
come here A plus A4 is equal to 3D is equal to you tell A is equal to how much
A is equal to 38.
A is equal to 53 A is equal to
53.
53 here we got A is equal to 53 53 plus 3 into how much 3 into 3 into how much here bracket
14.
minus 15 14 and D is minus 15 here D is how much answer 3 15s are minus 45 45 8 is next A5 is equal tell me A5 is equal to A plus 4D A5 is equal to 4D that is 4D is equal to A is 53 plus 4 into D is minus 15 is equal to 4 15s are 60 minus 60 minus 53 plus these are the answers bracket it these are the answers bracket it and write down in your book 23 A and A is equal to 50 and AP and 53
Plus
23 plus కాదు కామా 23 కామా 18 కామా minus 7 so that is the AP అర్థమైంది చూడండి ఇటు ఇది AP మనం కనుక్కుందే ఇది AP నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఇప్పుడు ఈ దీంట్లో ఎన్ని టర్మ్స్ ఉన్నాయో కనుక్కున్నాడు tell me fifth question this is term one of D is the formula what is A here A is A1 is this A A2 is 8 and A3 is 13 A4 is 18 what is D 5 15s therefore N is equal to 16 is the answer